I've been staying in Jalan Besar for almost a year now. It is known as one of the busiest neighbourhoods in Singapore, and somehow, I never really explored it properly. Now I'm moving out next week, so today felt like the right time to finally walk these streets. My name is Thomas and I'm a creative based in Singapore. For this video, I am bringing you along how I walk the streets, how I frame my shots, and how different situations help me get a better footage. So come walk with me through Jalan Besar. But before we start, one thing about Jalan Besar here is crossing the road here is pretty dangerous. I think everyone here just kind of feel that this whole traffic is congested. There's like cars everywhere, lorries everywhere. So just be careful. So today we are shooting on just purely our phone. Yeah, the reason is because I wanted to kind of just be more free and not just walk around with a big camera and scare everyone off. The whole aim is to keep it nimble, keep it kind of street style, you know. So just using my phone, my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and with my little Alexa SSD so that I can record straight into it. But what's this, right? This one is just basically an ND filter because it's so bright now. So right now I'm turning on my Blackmagic camera app and it's damn bright. So let's bring down my ISO and adjust my ND filter. Yeah, so it's nice and exposed. Let's cross the road. Let's get this shot here. I think this is the iconic part about Jalan Besar. I think everyone say about Jalan Besar, you will say is Swee Chun, you know. So we are at the Swee Chun when it's off hours. So what we're going to do here is just capture the signboard. It's pretty nice where you have like the kind of light shining through the plants and the vines and kind of create some nice shadows. So let's try it out. Okay, I'm going on 5x here. Just recording it. I'm on a wide angle lens and I can just point it here, kind of orbit around the main thing. Yeah. Let's walk closer to it and you can really see the texture of all this little glass. So these are all glass shards and you can see a little bit of reflection. That is what we're trying to get. Nice. You want to see the shot? It's quite nice, I think. So we are entering Jalan Besar Plaza. I'm removing my ND filter. I don't think we need it now. So yeah, let's try it. Be as stable as I can. Taking shots of this post boxed. And cut. Yeah, it's pretty nice symmetrical things. I think it's all like pretty well designed for each one. Oh yeah, it's locked from 6:30 on. It says locked at 6:30, now it's about 6 o'clock, so pretty early shift. Let's find another way out. Alright, so we walk halfway now. We are in the middle of Jalan Besar Street and there is the stadium, Jalan Besar Stadium. Hardly went in there, but I don't think I swim too, so nah. But we got a nice little mural here. I don't know why I've never seen this before. I think we go higher. Maybe I just need to stand on something. So now just waiting for someone to walk past. Hopefully. It's getting near to golden hour. So just gonna wrap up our frontal street. I'm gonna turn back later on. So it's pretty nice that I feel that I have hardly seen all these little details on the streets before. But it's pretty nice that you can just kind of walk and stop, have a look at little things around you, the signages, little details that you might miss. Don't know where am I. This is apparently a building, an office building that's nearby Jalan Besar Street. I'm not sure where is this place, but got a really nice perspective. Alright, we are here at this place called the Canteen. Thank you. It's just right around the corner of Jalan Besar. It seems unassuming because it's right inside a hotel. So we just ordered some food and get some drinks midway through our shoot. Looks unassuming, honestly. Egg yolk prawn, egg prawn. Salted egg prawn. So we just finished dinner and we are heading back to our place. But on the way back, it's a long stretch of road. And it's nice to check out some things around there. I think we're going towards Mustafa Center side, so it's on the way there. I think ISO 200 is fine. Just want to change my white balance down to about 4,700 Kelvin. This is the place that you couldn't miss when you're walking past Jalan Besar. And it's really like the Times Square kind of. Like Shibuya. And go high. Go. So much things going on. Right, so we are at the last part of the Jalan Besar street. Towards that side is Little India. But we are heading back to this side where our house is. So gonna end our little session here and just cross the street carefully. And this is it for the tour in Jalan Besar. This is not the most touristy tour, it's just something that I like to do it for myself and document it for myself. And it's a little memoir for Jalan Besar. Alright, so that is my version of Jalan Besar, a place I only lived in for about a year, but one that ended up holding a lot of moments that I will remember. I'm excited to see what my next place is going to be like, so thanks for walking with me. Catch you guys in the next one.